Welcome back to our channel. Do you know you can create stunning animation videos using artificial intelligence without any design or editing skills? In this video, I'll show you how to generate images, build a story, turn it into a video, and finally earn money by uploading it on YouTube. Step 1. Image generation. With AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Stable Diffusion, you can create beautiful characters, backgrounds, and even 3D-style images. Just type your idea as a prompt. For example, a cute squirrel in a magical forest, Pixar style, ultra-realistic, and AI instantly gives you high-quality images. These images become the building blocks for your animation. Step 2. Story generation. Every great animation needs a story. You don't have to write scripts from scratch. Just ask ChatGPT or other AI story generators to create a short story around your characters. For example, write a funny 2-minute story about a squirrel who wants to fly, but keeps failing in hilarious ways. AI will generate dialogue, narration, and scenes for you, ready to use. Step 3. Video generation. Now it's time to bring your images and story to life. You can use AI-powered video tools like Runway Gen 2, Pika Labs, or Kyber to animate your images and create full video clips. Add your AI-generated story as subtitles or narration, and even generate voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht. In just minutes, you'll have a complete animated video that looks professional. Step 4. Uploading and earning money. Once your video is ready, create an eye-catching thumbnail using AI, add a catchy title, and upload it to YouTube. When your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. That means YouTube will start paying you for ads running on your videos. On top of that, you can earn from sponsorships, memberships, and even selling your own products or courses. And that's it. With AI, anyone can create stunning animation videos. No drawing skills, no expensive software, just pure creativity. Start small, be consistent, and your YouTube channel can turn into a real source of income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to share a step-by-step demo of the best free AI tools for image, story, and video generation. Your animation journey starts today.